Remember the beefed-up X6M made by G-Power back in 2010? Yeah, we done, too, because that was 8 years ago. The only memory I had that time was the release of Eminem's 7th studio album Recovery. But, let us remind you of what that modified BMW SUV can do. The Ultimate Edition of that tuned-up SUV packs 888 horsepower and 642 pound-feet of pull from its 5.5-liter V10 engine. It was the fastest SUV in the world that time. The previous G-Power X6M was based on the first generation of the Bavarian nameplate. Sure, it was the most powerful that time, but they're an Italian challenger that emerged in 2017, the Lamborghini Urus. With that, G-Power is back at it again and releases the second generation X6M with Typhoon body kits, and it looks really promising. Now based on the second iteration of the BMW X6M, the G-Power Creation packs 750 horsepower with 6,500 redline and 723 lb-ft torque. This makes it 100 horsepower and 96 lb-ft more powerful than the Urus. Looks like the Italian SUV meets its greatest rival. With that amount of power nursed inside the hood, the G-Power X6M can complete a quarter mile in just 11.5 seconds, and has a top speed of 186 miles per hour, just 4 mph short of the Urus. These performance figures are achieved through its 4.4-liter biturbo V8 engine with added G-Power parts such as turbocharger, downpipes with catalytic converters, and V3 performance software. It also has Typhoon aesthetic upgrades like wide body kit, Venturi hood, and carbon diffuser. Other upgrades include titanium exhaust system, GX6M RS coilover suspension system, and a set of 23-inch G-Power Hurricane RR forged wheels.